In this video, you'll quickly see how to create a walk animation in After Effects. It's a particularly suitable tutorial for those new to motion graphics. Before you begin, take a good look at this image because we'll be creating the animation exactly like this image. You can save a screenshot if you wish. Now first, let's create a composition. Then, select the pen tool and draw a line like the letter A. You can adjust the stroke value accordingly. Position it so it's on the left side of the composition. Then, start the path keyframe. You can see the keyframe created by pressing the U shortcut. Change the shape's name to Walk. Need to adjust the path a bit. Okay, this is good. Now, need to draw a rectangle. Turn on the fill value and turn off the stroke value and draw a rectangle shape. Then, make the walk layer track matte on the rectangle shape. This is to make the top and bottom parts of the path shape look straight. The top part is a bit messy. Let's fix it right away. Perfect. Now go 5 frames forward and leave the keyframe as it is. Return to the first frame and adjust the path like this. This is for the beginning, so think of it as a kind of stance before taking a step. Then we go 5 frames forward and select the Add Vertex tool and add path points to the center, on the right, and left sides of the path, and adjust the path like this. Okay, very good. This is the first step. Now let's go 5 frames forward and adjust the path like this. This is like lifting your knee and then putting your foot on the ground before taking a step. Now let's go 10 frames forward and adjust the path like this. This is the second step. Again, let's go 5 frames forward and adjust the path like this. With this, step 2 will be completed, and it will continue in the same way from now on. So, the essence of it is this. The starting keyframe is given, the path is ready for the first animation, then 5 frames forward, the knee lifts, then 5 frames forward, and the foot touches the ground. Then 10 frames forward, and the second step moves forward. It's that simple. If you've watched this far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next videos.